In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Smartsheet with Jira step by step using Make, formerly known as Integromat. This integration is incredibly useful if you want to automate workflows between project planning in Smartsheet and issue tracking in Jira without writing any code. By the end of this video, you'll have a working automation that connects both tools seamlessly. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more software automation and productivity guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to make.com. Make is a powerful automation platform that allows you to connect different apps and build automated workflows called scenarios. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Make dashboard. From here, look for the Create a Scenario button and click on it. This is where we'll start building the integration between Smartsheet and Jira. After clicking Create Scenario, you'll see a blank canvas with a plus icon in the middle. Click on that plus icon to add your first module. In the search box that appears, type Smartsheet. When Smartsheet shows up in the list, click on it. This will allow Make to connect to your Smartsheet account and use data from your sheets as part of the automation. Next, click Add to configure the Smartsheet module. At this point, Make may prompt you to connect your Smartsheet account if you haven't done so already. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize access. This is a secure process and is required so Make can read or update data in your Smartsheet. Once connected, choose the specific action you want Smartsheet to perform, such as watching for new rows, updated rows, or pulling data from a specific sheet. Now that Smartsheet is added, it's time to connect Jira. Click on the plus icon again to add another module. In the search bar, type Jira. When Jira appears in the list, click on it to add it to your scenario. This will allow Make to send data from Smartsheet directly into Jira, such as creating issues or updating existing ones. After selecting Jira, click Add and connect your Jira account. You'll be asked to sign in and authorize Make to access your Jira workspace. Once connected, choose the action you want Jira to perform. Common options include creating a new issue, updating an issue, or adding a comment. Select the action that best matches your workflow. With both Smartsheet and Jira connected, you can now map the data between them. For example, you can map a Smartsheet row name to a Jira issue summary, or assign descriptions, priorities, and due dates automatically. Take your time here to make sure each field is mapped correctly, as this determines how information flows between the two tools. Once everything is set up, click Run Once to test your scenario. This allows you to see if the integration works as expected before activating it. If the test runs successfully, you'll know that Smartsheet and Jira are now communicating with each other. Finally, turn on the scenario so it runs automatically in the background. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Smartsheet with Jira using Make. This automation can save you hours of manual work and keep your projects perfectly in sync. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more easy-to-follow software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.